So, how is project delivery changing with AI and agentic AI and all the wonderful things we are reading about and seeing on around us these days?
Wow, you're opening a can for me. I can talk about this for ages. Actually, that brings me to one particular LinkedIn post that I saw, I think it was a day or so ago. So we've just had Dreamforce last week, and anyone who's been following Salesforce and Dreamforce will come to understand that Agent Force is what they're betting on. AI in getting an agentic enterprise to deliver value is the future. That's what they're betting on. This particular post, actually, I sometimes I wonder whether it was written to generate reactions or not. But basically, the premise was Salesforce is going down the path where partners isn't necessary anymore. They are going to use agents to do the end-to-end project delivery, and I had to give my 2 cents in I'm thinking that when I started my consulting career, I was within a cohort. My peers were actually consultants even way before me in the Siebel, SAP, and Oracle world. Questions they were asking, they were talking about then, and the gripes is still the same. It's about requirements, it's about users, it's about people changing their minds, it's about politics. It's not changed at all because people haven't changed. People are messy. People change their minds. They are not clean. They're not consistent. They're not clear. All the things you need automation and AI to actually start from. And so I'm thinking at the moment, I'm really open to being wrong, but at the moment, I think that project delivery, especially when it comes to eliciting and gathering requirements and making sure that what we build is what the client and the end user actually need, is not something that can be turned over to AI quite yet. That's my personal opinion.
I would tend to agree. I think a good way to really perceive and a mindset for AI is it's a tool. It's a significantly more capable tool, but a tool nonetheless. And you can do a lot of good or a lot of damage with it. And that's where, back to your point of why we need consultants or subject matter experts or people who can navigate internal politics, confusion, bring clarity to the stage. I think that AI fortunately has not gotten there yet. That's the way it seems to me.